Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. I thank all the subscribers for subscribing my channel. Today I have taken a JEE main question based on definite integral. Question is evaluate 2y sin y over 1 plus cos square y with respect to y. The limit is negative pi to positive pi. We have to integrate. So here we will put the properties, that is a function from negative a to positive a f of x dx. This integral is same as 2 times of 0 to a f of x dx if f of x is your even function and it is 0 if it is a odd function. So how to know it is a even or odd? If f of negative x is same as your f of x, then it is a even function. And if f of negative x is same as negative of fx, then it will be an odd function. So here, if we'll use f of negative y, we'll find that this is 2i is negative y into sine negative y whole over 1 plus cos square negative y. This is same as your sine negative y is minus sine y. So it will be 2y sine y over 1 plus cos square y. That is your f of y. So this is an even function. So we can use the properties what I have mentioned. So f of y is even. So now applying the property, we'll write that. So negative pi to pi integral equals to twice y sine y over 1 plus cos square y dy equals to same as 2i is 0 to pi 2y sine y over 1 plus cos square y dy. So applying this property since fy is even function. So next we will apply the property. Applying the property, this is a very common property. 0 to a f of x dx is same as 0 to a integral of f a minus x dx. So let me multiply here. It will be 4 times of 0 to pi y sine y over 1 plus cos square y. This is your integral denoted by I. Now applying this property, I'll get I equals to 4 times 0 to pi. Instead of y, we'll write pi minus y and sine again pi minus y. Of course, in the denominator, we have to apply that same thing, cos square pi minus y. This equals to 4 times 0 to pi minus y, and sine pi minus y is again sine y, and cos pi minus y is negative cos y, but since we are getting square, it will be cos square y. So next, this I integral and this integral, I'll add them. So adding to this expression, I'll get twice I equals to 4 times 0 to pi sine y over 1 plus cos square y dy, and here plus 4 0 to pi minus y sine y over 1 plus cos square y dy. So on adding, I'll get 4 times 0 to pi sine y. It's not pi sine y, it is pi y sine y. Very sorry. First one was y sine y. And here pi sine y minus y sine y whole over 1 plus cos square y dy. So here this 2 will be cancelled. So this will be 4 times 0 to pi sine y over 1 plus cos square y. So now on simplifying, I'll get I 2 will be cancelled with 4. This gives us I is equal to 2i is pi, I'll take outside, 0 to pi sine y over 1 plus cos square y dy. To integrate this, I'll take cos y, let cos y as equals to t, then minus sine y dy, its derivative equals to dt, or sine y dy equals to minus dt. Now coming to limit, cos y equals to t, so lower limit is cos 0 is 1, then upper limit is cos pi, this will be negative 1. So whole thing is changed to I now, t now. So this will be 2i pi 1 to negative 1 minus dt over 1 plus t square. Or this can be again used property to remove this negative sign. I can change the limit negative 1 to positive 1 dt by 1 plus t square. And we know the integral, this is very common, that is tan inverse t. So 2i pi tan inverse t from negative 1 to 1. So I equals to 2 pi multiplies tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse minus 1. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. This will be negative pi by 4. It will be again positive pi by 4. So this will be 2 pi multiplies pi by 2. Or this answer is pi square. So integration of negative 2 pi 2y sine y over 1 plus cos square y with respect to y equals to pi square. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Thank you.